สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone, I am Stam. Today we are here at Saraburi province to explore one of the largest solar farms in Thailand. Even though it's December, the weather here is still above 30 degrees. So how do solar farms operate in such high temperatures?
Let's check it out with me. Now we are at the 12.4 megawatt solar power system, which includes the 8.7 megawatt solar farm and the 3.7 megawatt solar rooftop. I think everybody must be thrilled to find out how this solar power system works. I'm glad to say that today we have Mr. Go, an engineer from Tucson Smart Solution by SCG Ceramic, to give us on a tour. สวัสดีค่ะ คุณโก้ Can you please give us a brief introduction of this project?
ครับสำหรับโครงการที่นี่นะครับ
This project generates electricity using sunlight. There are two elements, including a solar farm and a solar rooftop, designed by Sun Smart Solution.
What does the energy generated from this solar project use for?
All the electricity generated is transferred to the SCG factory and used for production. It could generate an energy output of 18,000 megawatt hours per year. This represents a reduction in carbon dioxide emissions of more than 9,000 tons each year.
The inverter is an indispensable part to convert energy into electricity, also known as the brain and the heart of the PV system. Here, Huawei inverters are put into shed to make it easier to do operations and maintenance.
So how do Huawei inverters perform over the past years?
Huawei inverters work really well and utilize their full potential. Maintenance is conducted monthly, and we've experienced no problems at all.
How about during extremely hot days or rainy season in Thailand? Does our inverter need to have any special maintenance?
We install Huawei inverters in various places, including inside buildings and in open spaces. Despite Thailand's extremely hot weather, we've had no issues.
All Huawei inverters have gone through intense R&D process and rigorous testing with different weathers. The inverters will be able to operate stably for a long time. Thanks to them, this PV system has been successfully operating for more than a year, and the factories has been able to have a stable power supply. And the 2.16 megawatt solar farm has the only bifacial solar panels in Thailand, which will rotate according to sunlight to make sure to maximize energy. The bifacial panels pair really well with Huawei's inverters. The smart string inverters not only minimize mismatch losses, but also support to maximize clean energy generation. Sometimes I find it hard to imagine that this area is a wasteland 2 years ago, from wildness to thriving PV farm. Now with power plant, local villagers will have more jobs. On the land between the solar panels, they are going to plant more crops so that nearby farmers can generate more income. With solar energy, it not only saves on costs for factory production while providing clean energy and more stable power generation, but it also creates more green opportunities for land use and employment for local residents.
We are pleased to see that the solar panel has also brought border change to our village, such as more jobs for local residents and better land development. I am glad that companies like the Susan Smart Solution and our are leading the change toward a cleaner future and better society.
As a major contributor of PV industry, Huawei is committed to developing digital technology to help our customers and partners accelerate green energy transformation, creating greater value for society and working together for a greener future and a better world.